my social suicide. Since I lost you, I've been high. Think you saw me with your friends last night. Yeah, I think it was you. Such a tragic, rather painful sight. So embarrassing. So I ran back to my heartache, holding hands with the night.
Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you guys are here. Today is kind of a quick, simple homemaking style day, and I just wanted to kind of take you guys through and show you guys you don't have to do 10 things in one day to be productive. You can simply just do one or two things, and that was me this day, and so I decided to take you guys along with me. Right now I'm making just a meal plan and a short list so we can head off to Trader Joe's, and then I will show you guys what I picked up when we get back. Before we dive right into my Trader Joe's shopping haul, I wanted to share a new way that I've been boosting productivity and staying motivated. Magic Mind is a matcha-based energy shot infused with nootropics and adaptogens designed to crush procrastination, brain fog, and fatigue. I love Magic Mind because it provides me calm energy with the use of L-theanine, so I'm not having to consume all those sugary energy drinks. It decreases stress from the use of ashwagandha, which is huge for me, and it helps give me mental clarity without the jitters from using lion's mane and cordyceps mushrooms. Magic Mind can support cognition, elevate your mood, increase focus, decrease stress, and even support immunity. This easy to drink daily shot is vegan, keto, and paleo friendly, and also BPA and gluten free. You can try out Magic Mind by using my link below and subscribing to receive your first month supply at an amazing discount. Type in typically Katie20 at checkout to save up to 56% off your first time subscription. We are back home from Trader Joe's and I got so many goodies. I love my Trader Joe's cookbook. I can link it down below for you guys. And since we have this rainy weather coming up, I wanted to make sure that I was stocked up on several meals. That way I didn't have to go out grocery shopping in the rain. So I will give you guys a quick little grocery haul. I'm not going to go into a ton of detail, but the Trader Joe's cookbook, it's under $20 for the cookbook. Everything in that cookbook you can pick up from Trader Joe's, and everything is just a handful of ingredients or less. So that's why I love it. I also got all these groceries for under $200. Even the cashier was like, wow, you got a lot of stuff for under $200. I think I got about 4 dinners, some snack items, some odds and ends, some breakfast items. I was able to do a lot of damage for just the $200. And I feel like Trader Joe's could be very misunderstood as maybe like a pricier way of grocery shopping, but I find the opposite. I think it's right up there with Aldi, if you ask me. I want to say even those stores are related, I've heard. And I wish I had a Trader Joe's a little bit closer to me. I would shop here way more often, but word on the street is that I'm getting one that's about half the drive where I have to go now. So I love their products. I think it's a great, healthier alternative for things that they carry in their stores. So if you have a Trader Joe's, let me know if you guys shop there too. And again, highly recommend that recipe book. And for any type of meal options, we're doing burgers, we're doing braised beef, we're doing birria tacos. I forget what else I got, but I got a ton of stuff. So I just wanted to take you guys through a really quick haul. And like I said, I still cannot believe that I got all this for $200. I dread this part. I almost don't even mind going to the store and grocery shopping. I actually think it's kind of fun. It's coming home and unloading and putting everything away that I don't like to do, because usually when I do this, as I'm putting away groceries, I'm going through my fridge and my pantry. Not a full clean out, but as I'm putting things away, I'm just being mindful and looking out for things that are maybe expired or maybe running low. We can, if there's a little bit of juice left in the bottle, let's just pour the rest of that juice into a cup and drink it, get it out of the way, get it out of the fridge, make room for all the fresh stuff. Another thing that I need to do is go through my emergency stock up that I have for, natural disasters or whatever. It's just nice to be prepared. So I actually have a huge tote in my pantry that I have for like an emergency stash. I really need to go through that. So let me know if you guys want to see what I have in there in an upcoming video. But yeah, let's get these groceries put away and then we can go ahead and move on to the next thing on our list today. I get asked a lot how I keep it all together and how I decide what needs to be done that day. And a lot of the time it's just getting up and getting started, and then it's a domino effect. Right here is the perfect example. I was picking up my freezer bags to put back into the back of my car. I noticed that the trash can was full. And then as I was taking that out and replacing the bag, I noticed that there was stuff on the wall just from, people throwing food away and crumbs on the floor and on the baseboards. Then I moved that back and decided to go ahead and wipe down the baseboards and the wall and vacuum and mop. And that's how I usually keep up on these types of things, is I'm just keeping my eyes open. And when it looks like it needs to be done, I do it, because this is definitely one of those tasks that is not typically on your list. But it's just something that I try and just keep my eye out open for. It's not anything I do like on a weekly or monthly basis or anything like that. It's just stuff that I do as needed. And that is my biggest secret, is if you're not into lists, that's totally fine. Just get up and do something. And I promise you, as you're up doing that something, you will notice things along the way. I need trash can recommendations. I've been looking around at trash cans, and I don't know if I'm just being cheap or what, but trash cans are so expensive. Like, it's a trash can, and they are well over $100, at least for like a stainless steel one like this. And I am looking for one that has double compartments, because our recycle will usually just like stack it on the counter, and whoever goes out to the trash next takes it out just throughout the day. But I feel like we could be doing better. So I've been wanting to get like a dual compartment one side for recycle and one side for trash. And like I said, I don't know if it's just me and I'm cheap or what, but trash cans are so expensive. So if you guys have one that you love that is dual compartment, or if you have some other type of recommendation for me, please drop them down below in the comments. I have been very into these candles lately. I want to say they're by Opal House. I have another one that smells like sugared lemon peel and honeysuckle, I believe. And this is a new one that I picked up. And you guys, not only is the marketing so beautiful, the jar in these candles is like an iridescent. It's just really simple. I love the gold lid. These are just $10 at Target, and it is a pretty healthy size candle. So I actually think it's a really good deal. And one thing I noticed while I've been out in the stores, TJ Maxx and Marshalls and like Home Goods, I love to pick up candles from those places, but it could just be my stores. But I noticed ever since like Christmas has gone away and it's the new year, there is a huge shortage of variety of candles. Again, maybe it's just my stores. So when I was at Target, I stumbled across these, and they smell so good. And I feel like for $10, it's actually not bad, and they smell so good. So highly, highly recommend Sunseeker. That is the latest one that I've picked up. time for my daily tidy here in the family room. I literally do this every single day. And it can seem very repetitive. I know I share this a lot, but sometimes there's just chores that you do every single day. Laundry, dishes, folding blankets, straightening up pillows, making your bed, whatever that may be, taking out the trash. We take out our trash every day. A lot of these things are very repetitive and something that you do every single day, but it only takes a few minutes. You could probably get all of that stuff done in an hour or less. So these are things that I love to do, even though, like I said, it can seem annoying having to do it every single day, but the reward is huge and it can go a really long way.
There are stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, oh, but it's okay.
I feel good about everything that I got done today. I'm feeling very accomplished, very motivated, and now I feel like I can kind of hang out for a little bit before I have to get up and start dinner. And I always feel so guilty when I'm just sitting around and haven't been very productive. But that is one thing about getting up and checking things off your list, is it is so rewarding. So I hope that you guys were able to get up and check some things off your list along with me today. If you guys liked this video, please like, and if you have not yet, please consider subscribing before you leave. I will also have Magic Mind linked down below in the description box for you guys. And don't forget to use my code typicallykatie20 and you could save up to 56% off your own Magic Mind order. And thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.